This is Nick Hopp with High Point Land Company, and today I want to give you a market update on what we're seeing in Mitchell County, Iowa. So Mitchell County is continuously driven by scarcity in the market. We rarely see farms of A quality offered to the public market, and that is a great example of our success with our recent auction, accomplishing a $22,000 per acre price tag. So while Mitchell County is highly desired for both operators to expand their operation or investors looking to transition from Minnesota into Iowa, we don't have that many farms that trade hands in Mitchell County. Also in Mitchell County, Iowa, we've seen a wide variance in our rental rates. We recently had a rent auction that was publicly offered, and that particular farm brought $535 per acre for a multi-year lease. So those high rents are still available, and we have a number of operators that are desiring to expand their operation and looking for more acres to farm. So if you're interested in either potentially selling a farm or increasing your rental rate, if you have land in Mitchell County, you've got the perfect scenario and a number of opportunities that we'd like to talk to you about.